How to fix YouTube dark theme not working. So there are multiple ways you can fix this problem. For different people, different steps will work. So I'm going to show every step. Okay, so first open your YouTube, go to this logo from the down, then from here tap this general settings, and then general, and from here appearance, and then tap this dark theme. So if it didn't work, just try to switch it back again, like light and dark. Just try to switch it back and forward. Okay, so if it didn't work for you, then what you need to do, go to your YouTube, go to your app info, and then clear your storage and cache. Just tap here and tap and clear your data as well. Okay, so this is the second step. The third step will be turn off your device. Just power off or restart anything you want, and after this most of you guys problem will be solved. Okay, so after that try to reopen your YouTube and your problem will be solved. But even if your problem didn't solve, then again I have the last solution. Go to settings, go to your settings, and from here display and brightness. So this might be different for your device. Just go to your display and brightness, then turn on your dark theme here. Okay, just turn on, and now try to see if your YouTube is dark or not. And these are the steps you can follow in order to fix this problem. I hope your problem is fixed. If it is fixed, then please like and comment on my video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.